right, we're gonna slow this one down for all you lovers out there on the dance floor. Grab your honey and hold them real close. Honey bunny, I sure love you. There's nothing I wouldn't do. I know you're very true. I know you love me too. We've been through a lot together, stuck in rainy weather. You always had a way with feathers. Your job is great, you're very clever. I would never get rid of you, ever, never. My girlfriend is really a tractor. She's the only one for me this time. No other lady matters. My tractor, a Benjamin, while them ladies are dimes. I know you think a dime is a compliment, but my tractor will shit on you like a condiment. I love my tractor, no one else matters. I love my tractor, and she loves me. Not a lot of countrymen are prideful enough to say that they love their tractors dearly and roughly to this day. They carry too much shame and their tractors collect dust. Soon they neglect their tractor so much it turns to rust. But I'm here to shine the light on this night where tractors come to light and delight. We need to show them love, appreciate their work. A real true tractor doesn't mind a little dirt. My girlfriend is really a tractor. She's the only one for me this time. No other lady matters. My tractor, a Benjamin, while them ladies are dimes. I know you think a dime is a compliment, but my tractor will shit on you like a condiment. I love my tractor, no one else matters. I love my tractor, and she loves me. Please, fellas, don't ignore your tractors. You don't realize how much they do for you. They make your life so much easier. You didn't take it home just for it to hide in a barn. My girlfriend is really a tractor. She's the only one for me this time. No other lady matters. My tractor, a Benjamin, while them ladies are dimes. I know you think a dime is a compliment, but my tractor will shit on you